In my part of the world, fried potato wedges are called Tater Boats. They're normally sold at convenience stores and places that make deep fried chicken. The potatoes are cut in wedges, lightly breaded, and deep fried also. And they are delicious. We thought we would try our hand at getting something really similar in the sun oven, and this is the result. What the chicken places do is normally use those big baking potatoes, Idaho potatoes. We prefer yellow potatoes, similar to Yukon Gold, but these are the Walmart brand that's very close to the same. So we changed that part of the recipe. Cut each potato into 8 wedges and then coated them with canola oil. We've done this 2 different ways. The first way is as similar as we could make it to the way they're actually made in restaurants, which is some cornmeal with salt, pepper, and we used a little chipotle. Then thoroughly coat each potato wedge with the cornmeal and spice mixture and put them in a pan. For this try, we used the 4 largest potatoes in the bag, cut into wedges, 1/8 of each potato, and put them in the rectangular sun oven pan, and that was actually more than the pan could hold, so we ended up with a partial second layer. On this day, we had an all-morning Zoom meeting, so we put the unheated sun oven to work at 10 a.m., advanced it a little bit. We were able to adjust its position 1 time in the next 3 hours, and it took just about 3 hours before the potatoes were ready. They were excellent. We had them for lunch. They were very, very much like the originals, but a little bit dry for our taste. We thought that perhaps next try, they should be covered for part of the cooking, and we should not make a second layer. So the second try, we made those changes and one other, in that we used nutritional yeast rather than cornmeal for the breading, same spices. This time we only sliced 3 of the medium-sized potatoes from the bag into wedges, and we used the round sun oven pan that has a glass lid. Most of the 3 potatoes did fit in this round pan. There was a little bit left over. This time we were able to preheat the oven. It was about 200 degrees when they went in and quickly rose to 300, cooked for 1 hour and 20 minutes total. We removed the glass lid for the last 5 to 10 minutes. And in our view, these were absolutely perfect. They were moist and savory and utterly delicious. If you don't care for nutritional yeast, but you do want something finer than cornmeal, we strongly suspect that flour could be used as well.